In this lecture, we'll take one example on DFT. The 4-point DFT of a length 4 sequence x of n is given by x of k is equal to 8 minus 1 plus j minus 2 minus 1 minus j. Obtain y of k. The 4-point DFT of the sequence y of n is equal to e power minus j pi n by 2 x of n minus 1. Now we'll try to solve this problem using DFT properties. We know that DFT of x of n minus 1 n is given by wn power mk x of k. So this is circular time shift property. Let this be equation 1. We also know that the another property of DFT, that is DFT of wn power ln x of n is given by x of k minus l n. This is circular shift. We'll call it as equation 2. This is known as circular frequency shift property. So y of n is equal to e power minus j pi n divided by 2 x of n minus 1 of 4. So now in this expression, we'll consider this as, say, z of n. So therefore, I can write z of n is equal to x of n minus 1 of 4 . So now when we compare this expression with equation number 1, so it is like circular time shift property where m value is equal to 1. Therefore now by equation 1, I can write it as, that is DFT of x of n minus 1 4 is nothing but DFT of z of n, which is equal to wn power mk, that is nothing but n value is 4 here, w4 power m value is 1 here, that is 1 into k x of k, that is x of k. So therefore now I can write DFT of z of n is, say, z of k is equal to w4 power k x of k. We'll call it as equation number 3. So now substituting different values of k from 0 to 3. that is, here I can say z of 0, that is z of 0 is equal to w4 power 0 is 1, x of 0, that is 1 into x of 0, which is equal to, here we can see that for k equal to 0, that is x of 0 value is 1, x of 0 value is 8, x of 1 value is this one, x of 2, and this is x of 3. So therefore x of 0 is now 8, that is 8. Similarly, that is for k equal to 0. Now for k equal to 1, I can get z of 1 is equal to w4 power 1, w4 power 1 x of 1, that is equal to w4 power 1 value is nothing but minus j, and x of 1 is minus 1 plus j, that is minus 1 plus j. Simplifying this, j into 1 is j, and it is minus j square, which is equal to j plus 1, that is nothing but 1 plus j. Similarly, now for k is equal to 2, that is z of 2 is equal to, substituting for k equal to 2, w4 power 2, w4 power 2 x of 2 is equal to, w4 power 2 value is minus 1, x of 2 is, here we can see it is minus 2, so z of 2 is 2. Similarly, for k equal to 3, we have z of 3 is equal to w4 power 3 x of 3, which is equal to, w4 power 3 is plus j, and x of 3 value is minus 1 minus j, minus 1 minus j. So simplifying this, j into 1 is minus j, this is minus j square, which is equal to minus j, j square means minus 1, that is plus 1 is equal to 1 minus j. So therefore z of k is equal to 8, 1 plus j, 2, and 1 minus j. Now I will write this y of n equation once again, that is y of n is equal to e power minus j pi n by 2. We have z of n, z of n. So this can be represented as, instead of taking e power minus j pi n, I will represent it as e power minus j 2 pi n divided by 4 z of n. Now by using equation 2, we have dft of y of n is equal to y of k, which is equal to, so now if we compare this expression with this expression, we can see that this can be represented as e power j 2 pi by n into L into n x of n. Okay, so here n value is 4, and we have L value in this equation is minus 1. So when L value is positive, it will be x of k minus L. So in this case, L value is minus 1. Therefore, we can write it as the dft of y of n is nothing but y of k is equal to, that is z of k plus 1, as here it was k minus l, because l value was 1, so here it is minus of minus 1 is plus 1 of 4. So here z of k plus 1 of 4 is obtained by shifting z of k towards left by 1 unit. This sample will move here, this sample will move here, this sample will move here, and this sample will move here. Therefore, we can write z of k plus 1 4 is equal to 1 plus j 2 1 minus j and 8. So this is y of k. So this is the required result. Thank you.